Hello, art enthusiasts. Get ready to crank up the excitement on Easy Peasy Art because today we're diving into a winter wonderland of fun and creativity. Grab your art supplies because we're about to embark on an adventure that's as cozy as it is cute. We're drawing the ultimate winter bunny. So let's kick off this artistic party and bring our chilly friend to life. First up, sketch those iconic big bunny ears and a round, adorable face. Our bunny is all about the chilly vibes, so let's deck it out with closed eyes, a perky nose, and of course, a massive muffler to stay snug and stylish. But that's not all. Let's build the rest of our bunny squad with a round body and the cutest little feet you ever did see. Now get ready to sprinkle some magic. Add details like a fluffy tail that's almost too cute to handle. Picture a scene straight out of a winter wonderland with falling leaves in the background, setting the perfect fall mood. And because it's winter, let's bring in the snow, on the ground, in the air, and even as whimsical snowflakes. But hold on tight because the real excitement is about to begin. Let's color our drawing. Dive into a palette of vibrant hues and watch as your winter bunny comes to life in the most dazzling way possible. Share your masterpiece with the Easy Peasy Art community. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let the good times roll.